English. Bosnian. I need, equals.
Treba.
Welcome to Ch.17 Lingo. Hey you, welcome. This podcast is brought to you by Ch.17 Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for free resources and more episodes. Today you'll master the super useful Bosnian request phrase.
Treba.
So you can confidently say, I need, anywhere you go. Ready? Let's have some fun. Your goal today. Stay with me for a few minutes and you'll be able to ask for what you need, clearly and politely. Goal. Say, negate, and question the phrase, I need, in Bosnian using
Treba.
plus compare it with
Želim.
and.
Moram.
Say it and forms. Repeat after me and feel the rhythm. Base.
Treba.
Equals I need. Negative.
Ne treba.
Equals I don't need. Yes, no question.
Trebam lik.
Equals do I need. Compare meanings. Want.
Želim.
Must.
Moram.
Have.
Imam.
Mini dialogue, cafe and office. Listen, imagine the scene, then repeat the Bosnian lines out loud. A. What can I get you? B. In Bosnian.
Trebam vodu, molim.
A. Anything else? B. Maybe I also need a small break. B. In Bosnian.
Trebam malu pauzu.
Friend, do you have a pen? U. In Bosnian.
Trebam jednu.
After work you sigh, in Bosnian.
Trebam pauzu nakon posla.
At the pharmacy, in Bosnian.
Trebam vitamin C, molim.
Rhythm drill. Clap clap, breathe, speak, make it musical. Say the Bosnian parts with confidence. Pattern. Beat 1 breathe, beat 2 say.
Treba.
Beats 3 to 4 point at what you need. You say.
Trebam vodu.
Water. You say.
Trebam pomoć.
Help. You say.
Trebam mapu.
A map. You say.
Trebam taksi odmah.
A taxi now. Bonus negation.
Ne trebam sada.
I don't need, now. Memory hacks and culture. Let's lock it in with tricks and a smile. Gesture tip. Hand on chest, reach out with the other hand, say.
Treba.
Your body remembers. Rhyme. When I need to cram, I say.
Treba.
And I slam the exam. Humor. Your phone at 1% whispers.
Treba.
Punjenje. Drama queen vibes. Culture. In Sarajevo before hiking Trebevik, people joke, Kravo.
Treba.
Kafu. False friend.
Treba.
I need, is softer than.
Moram.
I must. Use the right force level. Quick quiz. Answer out loud, no peeking, you've got this. Q1. How do you say, I need, in Bosnian? A.
Treba.
Q2. Translate, I need help. A.
Trebam pomoć.
Q3. Make a yes-no question. Do I need a ticket? A.
Trebam li kartu?
Q4. Odd one out.
Treba. Želim. Moram. Mačka.
A.
Mačka.
Challenge time. Now you lead, say it like you mean it. Speak 3 lines.
Trebam vodu. Ne trebam kafu. Trebam li mapu?
At a store. Politely say, in Bosnian.
Trebam kesu, molim.
Speed round. Quick. Say it now.
Treba.
Wrap up. Great work today, you're building real-world Bosnian. Thanks for listening, keep practicing.
Treba.
With water, help, maps, and more, and try the negation and question forms too. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more learning content, downloads, and fresh episodes. See you next time.